In 2005, some time had already passed since the production of the JZA80 Supra had ceased, and this year was the last season in which Toyota Works teams would see the Supra in Japan's Super GT. The 2004 season was a painful one for the Supra, in which the Nissan team had taken the championship from right underneath them. That is why the race-spec Supra for 2005 was subjected to repeated air tunnel testing to improve aerodynamics, as well as having its weight distribution further optimized, and introducing a stiffer rear section. The body and chassis of the car was thoroughly revised to go for the win. However, this caused a delay in the development, and there were only 3 2005 model cars entering the opening round of the season. The other 5 Supras in the opening round were hybrid machines based on the 2004 model, with updatable parts upgraded to the 2005 model spec. There were no major changes made to the 3UZ V8 engine, producing 473 bhp and 376.1 lb-ft of torque. The YellowHat YMS Supra started with one of these 5 hybrid machines, and introduced the full 2005 model in mid-season. This machine, which was run by the craft team, also served as a works machine for Dunlop, and veteran driver Naoki Hattori, who was also involved in tire development, drove the car throughout the season. His co-driver was Shigekazu Wakisaka up until the 4th round, and Peter Dumbreck from round 5 to the final round. They showed great speed and agility several times within the season, going from 7th in qualifying to finish in 3rd at the Fuji circuits in round 2, as well as going from 15th in qualifying to a 5th place finish in round 5 of MotoGP. In the 6th round at Fuji, they even started in last place in the GT 500 at 19th place, but broke through to a 6th place finish. However, despite their impressive efforts, they ended this season at 9th place overall in the point rankings.